my god. Oh my gosh, he's still there!
She got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys. She comes from.
Hey guys, just a quick video while I'm here getting some stuff unpacked from some of our travels. Some of our awesome guns. Really cool Glock 17 with a titanium nitride barrel there. Cool, right? Just been seeing a ton of just really divisive rhetoric and nastiness towards our fellow Americans. And I get it. We got freedom of speech. We all want to be heard and have things to say. But honestly, guys, there's some things that we can all get behind. We should all be supporting each other in freedom of speech. Our Second Amendment. I mean, we live in an amazing country. If we can't all get behind that, then there's some serious, serious troubles ahead. And we really need to understand what an amazing country that we live in. We pioneered freedom and made it what it is today. So get behind that and support each other, guys.
We don't have a name for it yet, right? Super badass?
What a nail driver. What a nail driver.
Got one.
Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Would you just look at the size of her? Oh, shit.
3, 2, 3.
Did I make that? Hit that back one?
I think you got it about 7 o'clock.
Hold on a minute. It's probably about noon.
Are you ready? Stand by. Three, 2. Are you ready? Stand by. 307.
Snap to that last one.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Stand by.
Cheer.
You cheater.
Good helping.
In the hood, nigga. Right, the horse in the hood. Where the horse in the hood? That nigga got a horse. That nigga got a horse. That nigga got a horse in the hood, man. They got a horse. They got a horse. They got a horse. They got a real live horse.
That's what donkey wanna be.
Yeah, look at that. What's
What?
no, that's nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
That's what?
Go back there.
Oh, fuck. Well, this sucks.
I said arrow for the triangle.
3.52. There we go, 2.86. We want to get below 3 seconds. Miss. .69. 2.40. 2.32. Both hits, not 2.40. Both hits. I'm happy. And that was the last one, so that's.
Now that's a smiley face.
Right.
Beach vacation, deep sea senorita fishing down.
It's not starting from here. It's starting as soon as I decide I got to get access to that, right? So all of this is super deliberate. Fingers way off the trigger. I want to start picking my sights up, and I'm telling you this now because as we progress, start thinking about this. I can see my sights come into my periphery right here. So from here, I just track them to the target. So think about that. It's all one fluid movement. You also notice I'm not bringing the gun up like this. I'm not casting it out. From here, as I bring that gun out of the holster, it's pointed and indexed towards the target because I can shoot from right here. So get it out, get it in the direction of the target, but as you join your hands up, pick up that sight and just follow it out. You follow?
Good.
That's Crystal River for you, baby.
Alright, make sure to kill the guy. There's two left. I think they were at the other side too.
Oh my god, it's so fucking wide open.
Just look dead across the field, I'm sure they're there. Yep, Josh.
Where?
They're behind the blue. On the right, 25. He's dead. One left. So separate party, he died instantly.
Hey guys, you go ahead and kill me. It's just me left.
What
the
fuck?
I made it all the way. Yeah, you can go ahead and kill me, I don't care.
You're amazing, dude.
I made it all the way. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna die from the wall. So,
I'm actually impressed.
God bless.
Good game, guys.
Good
See ya.
game. What the fuck?
That's awesome.